We'll guide you through how to share a Dropbox folder easily and efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Files tab. This will take you to your list of folders and files. Find the folder you want to share. Hover over it, and you'll see a Share button appear on the right side. Click on that Share button. A pop-up window will appear, and here you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. Make sure to separate multiple email addresses with a comma. Below the email field, you'll see an option to grant them different levels of access. You can choose between Can Edit or Can View, depending on whether you want them to just see the content or be able to make changes. Once you've set the permissions, you can add a personalized message if you want. Then, click the Share Folder button to send the invite. The people you invited will receive an email with a link to the folder. You can also create a link to share instead. To do this, in the same pop-up, click on Create a Link. This generates a link that you can copy and send to anyone via email, chat, or however you prefer. Remember, the link shares the same permissions you set earlier, so make sure they're correct. This link sharing option is great if you want to share the folder with someone whose email you might not have. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.